How to connect Canva website to GoDaddy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's connect our Canva website over here with one of our domains in GoDaddy. So to be able to do this, first of course, finish up your website and click on Publish Website. Over here, this is where you will be able to see your website and settings to publish it. You have here website URL. Click on the pencil icon and scroll down a bit and click on Get a New Domain. After that, you have the option to bring your own domain or connect your third party from a third party or connect your domain. Click on Continue and enter your domain over here. So for me, I have this. Copy and paste it. Click on Continue. And there will be prompts over here that would allow you to connect your account or your website with GoDaddy domain over here. So as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.